Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ribbit from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a long oval. Now let's do the same thing on the right, but a little bit lower down. Now inside each of the eyes, from the top right, let's draw a curve down. Then a V-shaped notch in. And then curve it back down to the right side. And let's color these both in black. Now underneath each of the eyes, let's draw 3 small lines down, like this, for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and let's draw a curve for the top of the head. And then let's bring it up and back down on top of each eye. Now for the left side, we're going to curve it out for the cheek and bring it back in. Then let's continue this by curving it up to the right side. Now we're going to hop inside underneath each of the eyes and we're going to draw the cheeks by drawing an oval shape underneath and back up. And the same underneath the other eye. Now let's hop down on the left and let's draw a large curve across to the right side. And then inside this bottom section, we'll start on the left and let's draw a curve over and up for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start with a curve underneath in the center. Then let's bring it down from both ends. And another curve at the bottom. Now to continue the bow tie, let's draw a curve up and out from the top corners. Then let's bring it down. And curve it back in. Now inside, let's draw a loop around on both sides. And that's it for the bow. Now underneath on the left, we're going to draw a long curve down and over, stopping here. Now for the belly patch, let's start underneath the right side of the bow and let's curve it down, bring it back out, and curve it in at the bottom. Now we're going to hop up and draw the arm. On the top right, next to the bow, let's draw a curve out, and then let's angle it down. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now for the ends, let's curve it back in towards the body. Now at the end here, let's draw the hand. Underneath the bottom line, we're going to draw a curve next to it. Then for the top line, let's curve it down. And then bring it up and back in for the first finger. Now underneath for the next finger, let's start on the left and let's bring it down. Then let's bring it over to the right and curve it back in. Then on top of this finger, let's draw another one with a small bump. And then one more finger, bringing it down and up. And that's it for the hand. Now let's hop back in and let's finish drawing the other side of the body. Let's start underneath the arm and let's curve it down. And bring it back over towards the hand. Now we're going to hop down next to the finger and let's draw one more curve in, leaving a small gap. And that's it for the right side. Now let's move over and let's draw the left arm. Next to the belly, let's draw 2 curves down. Then from the right side, let's bring it down and curve it back up. And the same thing on the left, but a little bit longer. Now in between these 2 fingers, let's draw a small bump. And then 2 fingers going down underneath. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with a long line down underneath in the center. Then on both sides, let's bring it down, but curve it out at the bottom. Now let's hop back into the center and let's draw 2 lines going out. And then close off each foot with 2 bumps. And that's it for Ribbit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!